In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add automatic dubbing on YouTube. First, I open YouTube on my PC. Then you can see this is my own video. So if I click on the setting, then click on audio track, you can see here are a basic language English, original, and here are also lots of language you can watch this video. So how to turn on this, right? So first, I need to going on this channel dashboard and YouTube Studio, basically this one. Now I need to click on this setting, then click on channel, then click on advanced setting, then scroll down. So you can see automatic dubbing option on this one. So you need to just click on allow automatic dubbing, and then I select once, then I upload lots of video. I did not click on this setting, but if you want to manual add every video, you can turn on this one and manually review dubs before publishing, but I recommend you allow automatic dubbing. That's it. So this is the method how can turn on automatic dubbing YouTube video. Thanks for watching. See you again.